We are preparing for our first open house. This is how we prepare the children work. But not for free, she said. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, Mother.
I actually realize how bad the windows are until the sun is shining through them. So for the open house today, I better get the winter muck off of here. I really hope nobody pulls up right now. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's dirty. Okay, this is my friend Lisa, who was in this house before the renovation. Lisa, can you tell me what your first impressions are of the renovation here?
If I were to have one expression on my face, it would be, wow! I cannot believe what this place looks like compared to what it was before. It was dark. It was still a home, but the fact is that right now, I would love to be in this house. It's so bright, it's so airy, and there are things about it that I just absolutely love, including the great kitchen and the open living space. And James and Shannon, you did a really great job.
Thank you.